This is a final video to fix Commander Duo not detecting Noctua fans in Corsair iCUE. Are you struggling with your Noctua fans not showing up in iCUE even though everything is plugged in correctly? This usually happens because iCUE doesn't always recognize third-party fans right away, and many guides online make it look way too complicated with long steps and confusing software tweaks. On Rexish, I'm going to show you a simple trick that actually works in seconds without uninstalling anything or messing with your system. All you need to do is adjust a hidden detection setting in iCUE, refresh the device, and your Noctua fans appear instantly. If you want, I can make a full step-by-step tutorial, so you never have to worry about this again. Just comment below and I'll show you exactly how to do it.